Good day, everyone. This is MI. Today, I'll be diving into how to set up a professional Facebook page. So, first thing you have to do, you have to log into your Facebook account. So, after that, come to your page there, click on it. So, after that, you have to choose the page. After creating your page, so you want to set up a full professional Facebook page. So, you have to choose any of the pages. I have many pages here. So, I'll switch to one of them. So yeah, this is it. So after that, go to your profile. You see, this page is all about online business. So click on the profile icon to change it. So if you just created a new one, so it won't be showing any image, it will be blank. So choose profile picture. So I'll be using this. This is actually good. So what next again? We have to change our cover photo again. So click on it. So click on select photo. So you have to choose a attracting image. So wow, it looks great. Click on update. Wow. So we are done editing our image, our profile. So what next we have to do is just to come down here, click on edit public details, so that it bring out many options of what you've done. So avatar, if you are interested, you can create an avatar for your Facebook page, but it's not necessary. So bio, so you have to edit your bio. So just write a small little description about your page, what your page is all about. That's all you have to do. So what's in of web developers, designers, and tech experts offering all kinds of website design. So web design is okay. So click on save. So what next again? So you can also edit your intro. So click on edit. So you've already you've already chosen a category before. So this is where my business category belong to. So click on edit about information. So this is where you are going to input all your necessary details about your page. Maybe you're rendering close service or any accessory service. So you can input everything there, everything about your business. So you can change your country code. So after that, go to another contact info again. So click on Gmail. So just input your business Gmail. So as you can see, so you can also add your service area too. So maybe wherever you are. So you can just search for your service area. So you can just choose anyone. Maybe you're in Water Court or wherever you are. You can just search for your service area. So if you have any work experience, click on it. So I just choose one of my own work experience. Graphic design. Graphic design. That's all. You don't need to fill all these many options, they are not necessary. So click on save. So can add the school you went to, so the college, high school, just add everything, blah blah blah. So on what else again? Add the current city you are. You can just choose any current city. Maybe you are in Lagos or Ibadan, anywhere. Just choose it. Your hometown. You can also add the hometown where you come from. So add hours. So the meaning of this basic info is just about add hours is just about the time you are always open for your business. Maybe you don't have time on Saturday and Sunday. You can set it here, so people know that this is when you are available. But it's normal to set the time you are available, so as not to cost something online. So that's it. You can even also add your relationship status. So that's all about how to set Facebook page profession. So after getting on, so if you really enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone. Also, you'll be dropping more videos on how to promote your page.